Would you like to learn an easy 10-minute Qigong practice? In this video, you'll join one of my Evening Qigong classes, and I'll guide you through a simple Qigong exercise that will get you moving and help you relax and re-energize. I'm Chris Cinnamon, Head Instructor at Chicago Tai Chi. At Chicago Tai Chi, we help adults move their bodies, deeply relax, and achieve vibrant health. Be sure to check the description below this video for links to other helpful Tai Chi and Qigong resources. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. Let me know how it goes for you. With that, let's start class. All right, welcome back to Thursday Evening Qigong. May all our hearts overflow with gratitude that we have a Zoom option on a night like tonight. Pretty cold and rainy down here in the loop, and you're going to mix them with snow, so it's a good night to Zoom in. So let us get up. And before we start moving, a brief preparation practice. Take a tour view from the top down. Feeling whatever you feel, and it's highly likely we'll all feel some sensations of tension, contraction, strength. And as you encounter those, using your mind and your breath, release, relax, soften those tense spots, at least to some degree. So feeling down through your head. We tend to pack a lot of tension in our face, forehead, eyes, jaw. Feel for any. Just lightly allow it to soften. Release. And down through your neck, front, back, and sides. And down through the shoulders, upper back, and chest. Release. Soften. Then continue down through the belly, lower back, pelvis. Release down the legs. To the feet, into the ground. Now, we're ready to move. So let's bring your hands to the front of your vertical circle. Sink into a squat, circle down and back. Stretch up from the legs and the quad, circle up and out. Pretty straightforward movement. All of you do Tai Chi. So this would be a basic Tai Chi, sort of like commencement. But like commencement, while the movement may be straightforward, there's a lot you can put in it. So what can we put in this out of Qigong? Well, let's go to our standing practice. So we've released from the top of the head. So now let's incorporate that. So come to the front of your vertical circle. Feel the top of your head and now release down your body as you circle down and back. And circle up and out. From your top of your head, release down. So this is a little more dynamic release than the one we did standing. From the top of your head, release down to your feet. Whew. Feel for any sense of anything sinking down through your body. There's an idea that Qi flows up and down, so we're stimulating the down with this movement. If you don't feel any sense of anything going down, that's okay. If you do, what can you do to make it a little stronger? A little stronger. Soften. Maybe slow down. Maybe get your movements a little more coordinated and then release. So one thing that can happen is that you stimulate that downward release with these physical movements, and then there can become a point where it kind of flips and the physical movements start following the release. So if you get a sense of that no longer you're leading the release, but the release is leading your movement, it's what it feels like to me. It's like riding it. So just ride it. Often I find it slows down my physical movements, smooths them out. So continuing to release, feel for any sense of, okay, I got some release in some places, but some other places not so much. And maybe you have smooth, complete release through the whole body, and that's cool. But feel for any area where that release seems to get hung up or stuck. And then get your mind in that place, if you have one, and give it a little extra attention, relaxing, softening. And feel if you can increase the sense of the flow through there. And depending on what you have going on, it may take more than that, but it may not. Release. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. So from the front of your circle, release down. Now for the next several repetitions, just slow it down. Smooth it out. Feel for how you can soften and smooth out the transitions between the down and the up, and the up and the down. And that may mean you lighten the intensity of it. That's okay. We're going for smoothness. All right, 2 more. Release down. Drop. Release down. And just let things settle for a moment. Thank you for joining me on this inclement Thursday night. Enjoy your practice. I'll see you next time.